This is a quick presentation on how to use a technical bulletin to sell commercial cleaning contracts, commercial carpet and tile cleaning contracts. And we're going to cover 4 steps. What is a technical bulletin? Who is the persona that a technical bulletin would work with? How to use them and where to use them. To get started, we're first going to talk about what is a technical bulletin. And just like the phrase says, it is something where we are going to get into the details. We're going to go technical. Now, in this case, we chose cleaning as the subject, but you could just as easily use your recruiting methods, your training methods, your customer follow-up methods, your customer service. There's all kinds of different subjects that you could cover. It doesn't have to be cleaning. The best thing to do is to rotate the different subjects so we are bringing in the most amount of people. Basically, it's like a dog whistle, and people are raising their hand and saying, "Hey, me, I'm over here." That's the point of doing this. Is we're looking for the right person so we can feed them the information that they want. In this case, at the same time, we don't want to go too crazy though with the details because it's just a boring subject. So we kept it pretty simple, and we just covered uh, ceramic tile, the different styles of ceramic tile, uh, grout, uh, what the problems are with grout, the different types of grout, and then a solution. And of course, at the end down here, we want to focus on if this is a specialty cleaning situation, we want to plant the seed about selling a monthly, quarterly, 2 times a year cleaning program. So this is what a technical bulletin is. Step 2 is, okay, who is the type of person this would appeal to? And we're going to do a buyer persona, this is called. A persona is, we're thinking about behavior. That's a simple way of personality type is another way to think of persona. We all have these personality types, and it doesn't really matter what industry we're in. So we want to try to read people when we're selling to people or marketing. We're trying to read to that. We're trying to read their personality so we can feed them the right type of information. So for a technical bulletin, we are looking for the analytical buyer. And here are some of the traits that person would have. Now, it wouldn't matter if it was a man or a woman. This is something that would apply to all ages. It's just a personality type. They would be precise, orderly, businesslike, self-controlled, very serious type of person. They want a lot of logic. They want facts. They like things in writing. They want contracts. They want a lot of detail. Once you see these types of traits in somebody, then this is the type of information that you would want to feed them. So the next question is, well, how and where can I use them? We've identified this person. We've got the right information. Now, how do we feed them the information? And real quick, I'm just going to go over a basic sales funnel. I'm sure you've heard about a sales funnel before. And the different steps are awareness, interest, the decision, and then the action. For us, that would be um, upselling and cross-selling after a sale. So for awareness in the advertising stage, one thing you could do is share one of these bulletins on social media. So for instance, this is LinkedIn, and this is an article on LinkedIn where I just took this and I pasted it on LinkedIn. So now you could just as easily put this on your website, create a video, Facebook. The point is, this is the advertising phase. This could be a landing page also. This is the awareness phase. This is the advertising phase. So this is one place where we can use one of these bulletins. So we're going to go back to the sales funnel. Now, interest. Let's say, for argument's sake, you meet somebody, you speak with someone on the phone, and one of the things in commercial work is they're going to say, send me some information. I need some information. And if you identify this personality trait, then some of the things that you could do is put this in a landing page or an email template. This layout would be similar in both situations of an email template or a landing page. And we're saying the exact same information, we're just giving it to them at a different stage of the funnel. This is the middle of the funnel where somebody asks to send information. And then you could create different calls to action if you wanted to. If you had a video showing them, that might be a good idea if it's an obscure service that they don't really know what steam cleaning is. You might want to show them a video. And then at the bottom, you could create another call to action to schedule a demo. So this is another way, another place that you could use it. The third one in the sales funnel is the decision stage, where we submit someone an estimate or a proposal. And in this stage, we could go back to the technical bulletin I originally showed. This is more of a print format where you could have this printed off and include this in your estimate if you're physically giving someone a proposal. If you're using this, if you're emailing proposals, then you would just create a PDF, and this would be one of the pages that you would include. So that would be where you would use it in the decision stage. And the final one would be upselling. You sell somebody a contract, and then that person, then you want to sell them additional services. Well, you could use it in any number of these ways. You could use it on LinkedIn. You could message them on LinkedIn. You could send them the email template. You could send them a link to the landing page. You could create a page on your website. That would be all up to you.